Bismillah wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillahi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. MashaAllah, now Rayyan has completed the foundation course in 2 months or less than 2 months, alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And now, MashaAllah, he's able to read the words of the Quran correctly without having any difficulties. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So now, Rayyan, please, can you try to read this surah, Surah Nasr? By the way, it doesn't matter if you read it by looking or not, because you know what counts is the proper pronunciation itself. So come on, try to show us your proficiency.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yeah,
إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح
good.
ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا
Good.
فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره
Mhm.
إنه كان توابا.
MashaAllah, that was absolutely amazing. May Allah bless you, Ya Rayyan. Barakallahu feek. Jazakallahu khairan. Okay, only one more time without looking.